Hello, grade 5. How are you today? Today we will talk about lesson 1 in unit 2. This lesson is talking about mixtures. We studied before everything around us is called matter, right? Today we will classify matter into two types. Number 1, pure substance. What is the pure substance? Pure mean that the substance made up of only one type of identical particles. Identical mean they are the same particles. Like what? Like we have sugar. Sugar made up of only one type of particles. We have distilled water. Distilled water, it's the water without minerals. 3, we have baking soda. Baking soda, we use it in making cake, in making bread, pizza. Number 4, we have salt. So all of these matters, they are pure substance. Why? Because all of them made up of only one type of identical particles. So they are pure substance. Or maybe the matter mixture. What is the mixture? Mixture is the substance that consists of more than one type of particles. They are not the same. Like what? We have milk. Number 2, we have tomato sauce. Number 3, we have concrete. Or number 4, we have atmospheric air. Give reason 4. When I ask you, both sugar and distilled water are considered pure substance. Why? Because each of them is composed of or it's made up of only one type of identical particles. So when I ask you pure substance, that means that the matter is consisted of what? Only one type of identical particles. But when I ask you, give reason for both milk and air are considered mixture because what? Because each of them consists of more than one type of particles. So the pure substance consists of only one type of identical particles, but mixture consists of what? More than one type of particles. Types of mixtures. Number 1, we have solid mixture. Like what? Like vegetable salad or fruit salad. All the component of mixture, they are solid. Like tomato, cucumber, lettuce, onion, all of this, they are solid matter. So the first type of mixture is solid mixture. Or number 2, we have liquid. Like what? Like oil and water, vinegar and water. Oil is liquid and water also is liquid. So it's a liquid mixture. Number 3, we have solid liquid mixture. Like what? Sand and water. Or mud and water. Sand is solid, water is liquid. Number 4, we have gaseous mixture. Like what? Like atmospheric air. Air is composed of or consists of different gases. Like what? We have oxygen, we have carbon dioxide, we have nitrogen, hydrogen, water vapor. All of this is what is gases. So atmospheric air is an example of gaseous mixture. Number 5, we have gaseous liquid mixture. Like what? Like we have soda water. Soda water consists of carbon dioxide gas dissolves in sugary solution. Sugary solution is a sugar dissolves in water. It's called sugary solution. So the soda water is an example of gaseous liquid mixture. What is the properties of mixture? Number 1, it can be separated easily. Number 2, keeping properties as each component keeps its own properties. Number 3, mixed by any ratio. What is the meaning of this? Number 1, like here in the picture, we can see what? We can see vegetable salad, right? Number 1, it can be separated easily. Here we can separate tomato from the salad, right? Easily. Or we can separate onion, or we can separate lettuce. So the component of mixture can be separated easily. Number 2, keeping properties, as each component keeps its own properties. What is that meaning? For example, tomato keeps its own properties. It has the same color. Before mixing or after mixing, it has red color, and it has the same taste, and it has the same smell. Also, the cucumber or the onion, it keeps its own properties. So the component of mixture keeps its own properties. Number 3, mixed by any ratio. I can put tomato by any ratio as I want, or the onion or the cucumber, or I can put lettuce by any ratio I want it. This is the properties of mixture. How we can form a mixture? The formation of mixture. Number 1, by checking for solid, liquid, or liquid mixture. I can use checking for solid liquid or liquid. Number 2, we have stirring also for liquid or solid liquid. 3, we have grinding for solid mixture. So we have 3 ways to form a mixture: shaking, stirring, and grinding. Separation of mixture. If I want to separate one component of mixture, how can I do this? Before we answer this question, we have to ask you to give reason for the component of mixture can be separated easily. We said we can separate the component of mixture easily. Why? Because they don't react together. We said they don't react together and they keeps its own properties, so we can separate it easily. The methods of separation. Number 1, we have magnetic attraction. We can use magnetic attraction to separate solid mixture that contain magnetic substance. Like what? Like sand and iron fillings. If I want to separate sand from iron fillings mixture, I will use what? I will use a magnet. Why? Because iron fillings is a magnetic material, so it will attract it to the magnet. Number 2, we have filtration process. We use filtration process to separate mixtures of insoluble solid materials and water. What is the meaning of the word insoluble? Insoluble, that means that they aren't dissolve in water. They don't dissolve in water, like sand or mud. Sand doesn't dissolve in water, right? So we can separate it from the water by using filter paper in a filtration process. So this paper will separate sand from the water. So the number 2, we have filtration process. It's used to separate mixtures of insoluble solid materials and water, like sand and water or mud and water. 3, we have evaporation process. Evaporation used to separate mixtures of soluble solid materials. Soluble means that they are dissolved in water. Like what? Like salt or sugar. So salty solution, when we want to separate salt from water, it dissolves in it. So we will use evaporation process. The water will evaporate and salt will remain on the dish. 4, we have separating funnel. We use separating funnel to separate heterogeneous. Heterogeneous means that they don't mix it together. Liquid mixture. Like what? Like oil and water. When we want to separate oil from water, we will use what? We will use separating funnel. Okay, thank you grade 5. I hope everything is clear.